The second scenario is where you would need name resolution across multiple virtual networks. And this is probably the most common usage for DNS private zones. The picture that you see here is a simple version of this scenario where there are only two virtual networks, VNet 1 and VNet 2. VNet 1 is designated as a registration virtual network, and VNet 2 is designated as a resolution virtual network. The intent is for both virtual networks to share a common zone. The resolution and registration virtual networks are linked to the zone. DNS records for the registration VNet VMs are automatically created, and you can manually add DNS records for virtual machines in the resolution virtual network. With this setup, you will observe that the behavior for forward and reverse DNS queries will change. The first behavior that you will notice is that the DNS queries across the virtual networks are resolved. So a DNS query from a virtual machine in the resolution VNet for a VM in the registration VNet will receive a DNS response containing the private IP of the VM. You will also notice that the reverse DNS queries are scoped to the same virtual network. A reverse DNS query from a VM in the resolution virtual network for a VM in the registration VNet will receive a DNS response containing the FQDN of the VM. But a reverse query from a VM in the resolution VNet for a VM in the same VNet will receive an NX domain. This is also called as a split horizon functionality. In the next demonstration, let's take a look at the DNS name resolution lab.